guys, it's Julie and Matt from Southern Pride Design.
And we're here today because we found these neat little lights on Amazon and we wanted to personalize them for our son and our daughter, just to be a unique, personalized gift from the both of us. But we're doing something special with this video. And if you guys like and subscribe, we're going to choose a winner for a $100, I believe it was an Amazon gift card.
Amazon Visa gift card.
Whatever, it's free money. It's $100. So you can use it to go on Amazon and buy these lights.
Yes, and they come in. You can get them in individually or in sets. I think we got a set of 6 with the hearts, and then we got a set with 3 square and 3 round. So you can use those, or what we're going to do today, we're going to cut this sheet of acrylic into a custom shape that'll fit in the lights also. So you have a lot of options and possibilities. Also, if you can't laser engrave, you could also get them and put vinyl on them. I've seen people use vinyl, and it still makes a very cute light. So
looks very cool. It came with a neat little remote. It's got takes 3 AA batteries if you choose not to use the power cord that it comes with. So I thought it's a pretty good design, or a pretty good thing to buy. I don't know. That's cool. I like it. That's what I'm trying to say. I like it.
And I think the kids will like it too, especially if it's personalized and they got their name on it, and they always think it's so cool to have things with their names on it. They have a protective sheet on them. You just peel that off before you do laser engraving. So we're going to do one with the basic one that came with the kit, and then we're going to do a couple personalized ones that we're going to cut with acrylic.
Are we doing anything with the round one?
No.
Okay.
No. I mean, we could, but not today.
Okay.
Cool.
Ready?
Hey, yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's go. So with the standard one that came with the kit, we decided to make this cute little Santa cam, which I think came out really, really neat, and the kids are super excited about it, and we figured out a neat way to keep them in line. So we could use the remote when it's green, they're being good. When it's red, they're in trouble. And when it's yellow, they need to watch themselves. And they are already watching this thing like nonstop. They're so worried that it's going to turn yellow or red. So that came out really cute. But then with the other acrylic that we cut these cute little designs, which we discovered we need to get bigger acrylic.
Yes, this acrylic did not come with these lights. This was acrylic that we had and we cut with the laser, just to try and make something different, something unique. And we're currently looking for acrylic that'll fit it.
Yeah, so we just need something a little bit thicker. But otherwise, I think it looks really, really neat. And again, the kids really like that. So it would make a really great night light. And same with this one. That one fits, but the other one's kind of side heavy.
Yes, and it looks really good. These lights, again, we found them on Amazon. I didn't know you could do that.
You can change the color by touching it.
I don't know.
Yeah, if you don't lose the remote.
Yeah, but we found them on Amazon, saw a video on it. I was like, man, you gotta try it out. We tried it out. It looks great. Everything turned out great. The laser did a good job. The lights I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but it really illuminates the engraving on the acrylic.
Design, yes.
So also we wanted to throw out there too that this month, if you like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, you're going to go into a drawing, and we're going to give out a $100 gift card, Visa gift card, to the winner for November. So please like and subscribe, and Julie's going to put a link in the description
For
to
these?
where, yeah, for those. So
Yes.
thank
And
you.
if you're interested in the Santa Cam,
Yeah,
we're going to
Santa
have
Cam
those
also.
on our website. So, I guess that's it. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.